Now, before sitting down and setting your goals, you need to actually know what these goals are, right? So, what are your dreams and goals? You need to ask yourself a question. This isn't what you already have or what you have done, but what you want. Have you ever really sat down and thought through your life in terms of values and decided what you really want? See, you need to be genuine about it. A lot of people, they say that they have a certain goal or a certain dream because for them it's comfortable, or everybody says that you'll make a really good lawyer, or I'm pretty sure you'll do really well in math because you're smart, or whatever. So people start building dreams and goals based on fake realities and fake aspirations. There's a lot of people who go to school and they start doing they start learning something, they go into a major, and then they get to the place where they graduated and now they're ready to work, and they realize that this is not what they're like. Their goal is not to work in this field. So before going into all this hassle of getting a new job and then 2 months later figuring out that, you know what, this is not my goal, this is not what I like, I see my life going in a different direction. Well, guess what? If you sat down, if you blocked everything and you just sat down and really thought about your dreams and your goals, what you really want, what you want to be doing for the next 5, 10, 20 years of your life, if you do that, you'll avoid a lot of trouble in the future. So before setting goals, whether it's New Year resolution or after watching this course, you think and you know that it's time for you to sit down and figure out what your goals are, it's never too late. It's better to realize what your goals and dreams are right now and start working on them than realizing that after spending 4 years in college or university or spending a year at a job that makes you miserable and that you end up quitting so you can start from zero, which is figuring out what you actually want to do. But by the end of this course, I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys would have probably forgotten about this point. So what I would recommend you to do is to either pause after I finish what I have to say right now, just pause and do it, or by the end of this same lecture, don't continue. Just close your computer or your phone, whatever device you're using to watch this video, and go sit down and figure out what your goals and dreams are. Just ask yourself questions. Ask yourself if what you're doing right now is something that you actually want to do, if it aligns with your goals and your dreams. Think about what you want to do in life. Think about where you see yourself in 5 years, where you see yourself in 10 years, where you see yourself when you're retired. And something that can be really helpful for you to figure this out is mind mapping. And in further lectures, you guys are going to go through mind mapping step by step, and you'll be able to mind map your dreams and your goals for you to be able to know what you actually want. Before setting goals, you need to know where they're leading to. When you set a goal, it's because you have something that you want to accomplish. When you set a goal that you want to get straight A's in school, what is the reason behind it? Maybe it's because you want to go to this Ivy League college. When you say, I want to make $1 million in the next 2 years, why is that? It's because you want to have financial freedom. When one of your goals is to go to the gym on a regular basis and work out, so then you can start posting stuff on Instagram and become Instagram famous or become a model, then you need to just sit down and ask yourself, is this really what I want to do? But second, you need to realize that behind every single goal, there is a destination. Goals are made for you to reach something beyond them, right? So before setting a goal, you need to know what the destination is. If you get in your car and start driving saying, I want to eat something, and then you start looking around for restaurants, you know how long it would take you? You will see a restaurant after another. It will be so hard for you to decide, and you'll waste a lot of time. But if you get in your car and say, I want to eat McDonald's, and you pull out your GPS and you put the closest McDonald's, you go grab the food and you're back. Guess what? This is way faster. Why? Because you know your destination. So, once you figure out where you want to go, once you figure out the destination, once you know if what you really want to do, what are your dreams and aspirations, you're ready to move into the next step, which is setting your